Hey guys! Alright, we've got a big square with side length 8, and inside one corner of that square there's a circle just touching the sides and the center of the square. Our goal here is to find the radius of that circle. So before we do anything, pause the video for a second, take a look at the picture, and see if you can figure out how to get the radius on your own. Alright, let's go through it together. First things first, let's set up some coordinates just to keep everything clean. We'll call the bottom left corner of the square the point 0, 0. The square has side length 8, so the top right corner is at 8, 8. Now right in the middle of the square we've marked this point P, which sits at 4, 4. And the center of the circle, let's call it point C, is at R, R, because the circle is tangent to both sides of the square. Now here's the important move. If we draw dashed lines from the center of the circle to point P and drop a perpendicular to the vertical line x equals 4, we suddenly get a right triangle. And this is where everything clicks. The horizontal leg is 4 minus r. The vertical leg is also 4 minus r. And the hypotenuse from the center to point P is exactly r. So we've got ourselves a nice clean right triangle. Now we just use the Pythagorean theorem. R squared equals 4 minus r squared plus 4 minus r squared. In other words, r squared equals 2 times 4 minus r squared. All right, let's clean that up. Take the square root of both sides, and we get r equals square root of 2 times 4 minus r. Now bring the r terms together. That gives us r times 1 plus square root of 2 equals 4 square root of 2. Then divide both sides, simplify the fraction, and everything collapses really nicely. We end up with r equals 8 minus 4 square root of 2, and that's the radius of the circle. If you enjoyed this one, go ahead and hit like. And if you solved it a different way, drop your method in the comments. I'd love to see it. Subscribe for more geometry problems like this. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. All right, take care.